Hey guys, this is Michelle. Welcome back to the Food Health Nutrition Wealth YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be making a really easy kind of casserole dish using shredded chicken. So I have 4 chicken breasts here, shredded and pre-cooked. And here are the other ingredients we'll be using. There's some cheddar cheese, crumbled bacon, ranch seasoning. So I have a homemade ranch seasoning blend, which I'll give you the recipe for. Parmesan cheese, sour cream, cream cheese, and Rotel tomatoes. So let's get into it. I'll show you how it's done. So you guys can see here that the shredded chicken has been placed into the bottom of a 9x13 casserole dish. Next I'm going to take the ranch seasoning, about a 1/4 cup, and I'm going to sprinkle that over top of the chicken. Just evenly kind of disperse it. Next I'm just going to take the Rotel tomatoes and I'm going to pour them over top of that. And then I'll get a spoon and I'll just kind of even them out evenly over the whole casserole. There we go. Meanwhile, into a bowl, I'm going to add the softened cream cheese. And then we're going to add in 1/2 cup of the heavy whipping cream. And then 1/4 cup of sour cream. Now that we have these added, we're going to do a quick blend with the hand mixer just to incorporate them, and then we'll add some additional seasoning. So we're going to add 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese and about 1/2 cup of crumbled bacon. Just going to fold those in. Try to break up any clumps there may have been from the Parmesan cheese. And this is ready to go on the casserole. Alright, now I'm going to just dollop the cheese mixture over the top of the casserole, and then I'll use the spatula to kind of even it out across the surface. Finally, what we're going to do is we're going to top it up with about 1 cup of the shredded cheddar cheese and maybe 1/4 cup of some more bacon crumbles. Now that the casserole is all ready, it's going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes, and then I'll put it under the broiler for about a minute or 2 just to brown it up nicely. So guys, I just took it out of the oven. It came right from under the broiler. You can hear it sizzling still. It smells great, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all plated up, but it looks delicious. Here's what the casserole looks like when it's plated up, and we had ours with some nice roasted broccoli, and it was delicious. This is a great recipe to do for a meal prep. So we did have it prepped and ready to go for the week, and it was very convenient during the week to have that. Here are the ingredients, so you can take a look here to see what goes into it. There's also full description of how to make the recipe in the description box below, so check that out. And here is the nutrition information. Of course, this is based on the exact ingredients and the amounts that I used. If you make any kind of substitutions, that'll vary it for you. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps us out. If you aren't already, consider subscribing. We do weekly recipe videos like this one, as well as weekly meal planning videos and sometimes grocery haul videos. So until next time, bye-bye.